Hey, welcome back, first graders. Mr. Reed here. We're going to extend our learning from last time with balancing number sentences to include additional adding. So go ahead and pause the video to get your map, your crayons, your pencils, your Oracle workbook, and your math notebook. We're going to be on pages 202 to 203 and Teachers, Module 9 and Lesson 2. Pause the video, get out your materials, and come back when you're ready. Today we're going to be creating balanced number sentences with multiple add-ins. Words, pictures, add-ins, and symbols are going to be working with today. 3 things as always. Remember the word balanced. Go back to your notes from last time and look at what you wrote. We're going to be working with that same idea today. Our vocabulary for today are symbols, balance, fewer, more, quantities and amount, number sentence, adding, plus, and equal. Pause this video and match the blue definitions and pictures to the red vocabulary words. After you've done that, press play and see if you got them correct. Alright, so today, symbols, we have our fewer than, greater than, and equal to symbols. Balance means equal. Fewer could be less. More could be bigger. Quantities and amount for us in first grade mean a number. Number sentence for us, whereas addition, we have something plus something equals something. Add-ins are those 2 pluses that we put together, the first add-in and the second add-in. Plus could be the plus symbol and the word and. And could be the word plus or the plus symbol. And then equal is the equal sign. Number sentence box. In your journals, write all those boxes right there and make some numbered lines. When you're ready, press play so we can get ready to learn together. So we're balancing those number sentences, and remember we're going to be using multiple added. And that again means that we have 2 numbers added equals another 2 numbers added, or more than 2 numbers being used as added, so the ones we put together. So let's do one together. I'm going to do 3 plus 2, and actually I want you to pause and watch. So 3 plus 2 equal another 2 added. We're just going to be moving those around. So a couple of things. We're going to go ahead and circle like we did our addeds, and then we're going to circle and try to find the empty quantity. Well, we don't know that yet, so let's go figure it out. Let's say that my number that I'm using right here is 3 plus 2 more, 1, 2. So that's going to be my ending quantity 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever's over here must equal 5 also. So lots of different ways you can move this around. Maybe you want to move one this way, or just place it that way. Let's go ahead and put a number 1 right there. So if I need to make a balance that says 1, well then I'm going to start at 1. And I know that I need to get to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 4 equals the same thing as 3 plus 2. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. What I want you to do is go ahead and pause this video. Go ahead and get your paper cleaned up like this and come back to me. Well, let me go ahead and finish this out as well. So I can say that adding 3 plus 2 more equal 1 and 4. So that's 5. And that's 5. I can also say 3 plus 2 equals 1 plus 4. So we're going to do one more together and then let you do it on your own. First, go ahead and get your paper set up with your number sentences and your number lines. When you're ready, come back to me. So the next one that we're going to do together is going to be, let's go ahead and say 5 plus 2 equals blank plus blank. So 5 plus 2 equals blank plus blank. Go ahead and find out a combination that can fit here. Pause the video, finish your number sentences, and then come back to me when you're ready. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this together, okay? So 5 plus 2, well, let's go ahead and put our markers there just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 2, 5, count on 6, 7. So I know that this equals 7, so this must equal 7. Let me go over here and just do one more time on my number line jump, like always. We're going to start at 5, and 2 more. 1, 2, 7. So I need to get there. So let me do this. I want to start with the number 1, 2, 3. So let me start with the number 4. So if I say 4, then I can go ahead and say 1, 2, 3 more. That could be an answer. So then the way I would fill my paper out would be the add-ins 5 plus 2 more equal 4 plus 3. Or the first add-in of 5 and then the second add-in of 2 equal 4 plus 3. Now that's just one answer. So let me go ahead and say that this equals 4 plus 3. Because there are many answers we could have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Another combination I could have would be 5 plus 2. Or 6 plus 1. Or even 7 plus nothing. Or going backwards, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 1 plus 6, or even 0 plus 7. You got any of those correct? High five. Pause this video, check your work, and then go back to our classroom. Your work on your own today class is going to be pages, or are going to be pages 202, 203. Balance those sentences right there with the 2 different add-ins. Take a picture and upload to Google Classroom. Some more work on your own class. Number 1 says, I want you to complete 2 different number sentences for each number below. So I have 5 plus 3. I want you to show me 2 different ways you can make 5 plus 3. I have 4 plus 5. Show me 2 other ways you can make 4 plus 5. Complete the sentence stems and write them for each number sentence. Take a picture of your work and then add it to Google Classroom. Our last thought of the day is to remember, when working with numbers, what does balance mean to you? Talk to someone about that, and if you can explain it to them, high five. Until next time.